This Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty property video is presented by Joyce Hoffman. Here's a great country location only 10 minutes from town. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home has a split bedroom floor plan with open kitchen, dining and living room. New carpet, vinyl, and laminate. The composition roof was replaced in approximately 2010. Exterior was repainted just a couple years ago and all windows and sliding glass door, with interior mini blinds, were replaced last year. This is one of the larger lots in the subdivision with a fenced front and backyard. You'll enjoy the peaceful country views of pastures with aspen trees and forested hillside just out your back door. Don't miss taking a look at this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Joyce Hoffman at 541-884-1343.